Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make enchilada tortillas. First, you'll want to gently warm your tortillas. This crucial step prevents them from tearing when you roll them later. Corn tortillas are traditionally used for their authentic taste and texture, offering a delightful base for your enchiladas. A quick, light fry in a small amount of oil also adds flexibility and enhances their flavor, making them easier to work with and more delicious. Once your tortillas are warmed, the next step is to soften them properly. Dip each tortilla briefly into warm enchilada sauce, ensuring it's fully coated. This step is key for infusing flavor and making them pliable enough to roll without cracking. Be careful not to oversoak them, as this can lead to soggy enchiladas. A quick dip, just a few seconds on each side, is usually sufficient to achieve the perfect consistency. Now for the fun part, filling and rolling your enchiladas. Place approximately 2 tablespoons of your chosen filling down the center of each softened tortilla. Don't overfill, or they'll be difficult to roll. Then, roll the tortilla tightly but gently from one end to the other, creating a neat cylinder. Arrange your rolled enchiladas seam side down in a baking dish. This keeps them from unraveling and ensures they stay together during baking. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious enchiladas. Pour any remaining enchilada sauce over the rolled tortillas, ensuring they are well covered. Then, generously sprinkle your favorite shredded cheese on top. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Let them rest for a few minutes before serving. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.